Hi, this is Level C Sight Words. As you look at each of the slides, you will see the sight word. There will be a pause, and then you'll hear my voice say the word. So when that little pause is there, see if you can say it. My voice will see if you're right. All right? If you've got all of that, let's do this. Able. Age. Already. Arrive. Bare, as in I put my bare toes into the river. Became. Between. Bone. Break, as in I need a break from all of these sight words. Candy. Act. Ago. Among. Asleep. Bath. Become. Block. Born. Built. Captain. Afternoon. Ahead. Anyone. August. Beach, as in I like to walk along the sandy beach. Begin. Board, as in I like to jump off the diving board. Bottom. Cabin. Card. Against. Alarm. April. Band. Beat. Below. Body. Branch. Camp. Careful. Case. Chance. Choose. Clear. Coast, as in I want to drive along the western coast of the United States. Cotton. Crown. Deer, as in I saw a deer at the Tyler Zoo. Different. Dive. Cattle. Chew. Church. Close, as in close the door. coffee, couldn't, dead, desert, dip, doctor, cave, chief, circle, cloth, continue, course, as in, of course I want to study my sight words. December, desk, direction, doesn't, draw, earth, 8, as in I am 8 years old. Enter, explain, felt, finger, flat, forget, fresh, drop, east, either, accept, fair, as in that is not fair. 50, fit, flower, forward, Friday, dry, easy, English, exciting, February, fight, fix, fool, 4th, frighten, during, edge, enjoy, expect, feel, flag, forest, free, fur, as in the cat fur makes me sneeze. Grain, hardly, huge, important, interest, jam, July, kill, lead, less,